Good morning. Yes, it's from Amazon, but what is it? Let's open it up. Here we are. It's a Pico S2 FreeSat box. Let's open it up. Right, let's see what we got. It's considerably smaller than what I thought. Here's a AAA battery for comparison. But as long as it works, I'm not going to complain. On the back, we've got satellite dish in. Not sure what that is. HDMI, SCART, and power supplies. So this box here must be, yep, plug-in power supply. 2 stickers, for whatever reason, I know not. This has got to be, no it isn't. Oh! This is an infrared receiver for remote controls, but not sure about this. On the front we've got a USB socket, which I believe is for recordings. Channel up, channel down, and on and off. And obviously remote control. What I should do, I shall unwrap all the parts and I'll show you setting it up. As you can see, you're looking at the front of our skybox. Let's turn it off. There we are, that is off. Let's take it out and connect this. Much smaller. It could sit on the top. So I just didn't expect it to be so small. Before anything goes wrong, I shall unplug the skybox and turn everything around and show you what I'm doing. These two are from the actual satellite dish. So we only have room for one, so we'll do that, and pick one and screw that on first. Making sure it's straight. There we go. This big one over here, this other lead here, we still have SCART leads, so I shall plug that in the back. And then the power lead here, I should plug that in. That seems to be pretty much it. I haven't plugged in the other end of the power lead yet, and I haven't put the batteries in the remote control. I shall do that back in a second. Let's give the set. Oh, there we go. I'm going to guess I haven't got the SCART lead plugged in very well. That's usually the case. Please hold and I shall check. I thought so. I hadn't got the SCART lead plugged in quite properly. Let's have a look.
We've got cattle bloody walking on us going left and right. And no more tackles. Anti-hair wrap technology, only available from...
Remember, you did not get through.
The wackiest? One of the head gaskets couldn't have been more the wrong size. How they got past the original engine build?
Well, I have to admit, it's just like Sky TV Only for free.
Back in the Cadillac with
I'm not going to show you all the channels,
details for Richard.
but I'll have a quick look myself and see what's what and come back to you shortly. It says it's got 156 channels, but if you look at Sky, that's got 999. Well, no, not really. There's lots of channels that aren't there. It's the same with this. Some of the channels it can't actually pick up, and also you get a few duplicates like BBC Scotland, BBC Ireland, BBC Northwest, and BBC this and BBC that. No more Sky. I haven't tried the recording facility yet, but I should do that later. As I said, overall I'm quite impressed. As usual, thank you for watching.